May courtesy tayo for Mr. Villar. Salamat, Villar family. Lovely neighbor. Ano ro to? Balatong with baboy. With hipon. Try natin. Tapos muna natin yung bigay ni Mr. and Mrs. Villar. Balatong. Baboy. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Villar. Sarap. Iyamalin